Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Flagler, Colorado, day 3. Started it off by getting the vlog from the day before done and ready to go. Had some coffee, checking my phone, doing all those things. We were basically going to be getting ready today to go to the mountains the next day. So this is basically doing a couple errands, some fun things, getting packed vlog. I did make some breakfast. I made the most Midwest breakfast ever, where you just find things that are left in the fridge that need to be eaten, and we throw them together. So I did crescent rolls for a crust, made up some eggs, then I took some leftover potatoes from dinner the other night and fried them up a little bit again, and then threw those on top of the crescent rolls with the eggs, as well as, of course, some bacon and green peppers on half because I love some veggies in my breakfast casserole type deals. This turned out really, really good. I wish I would have thought of a sauce or something for it, but we ended up putting taco sauce, some mild taco sauce on it, and it really zhuzhed it up a little bit. And of course, there's a layer of cheese, some bacon, and then some more cheese. Tin foil, I believe I put this in the oven for 14 minutes at 350, and I already pre-cooked the crescent roll base a little bit. So if you like it, that's how I did it. It's the Midwest breakfast casserole.
It added just a little.
How's breakfast, honey?
Very good.
Oh, thank you. Yep.
It was 5 o'clock.
Oh, I couldn't remember. After we were all done with breakfast, the spice shop was finally open, and you guys, I cannot even explain to you how good this smelled. Oh, it smells so nice in here.
Yeah. So, I read about this Mexican one.
You can bring whatever you want home. Just find your stuff. Blueberry cinnamon crumble.
I love that.
I'm gonna creme brulee.
Salted caramel bourbon.
Decaf. I don't want decaf.
Yeah, Mom has a
Sea salt color mocha. This is what I'm thinking.
Okay.
We're gonna buy
Cookie doodle?
a little French press to keep at your house.
Do I want cookie doodle? Or Swiss chocolate
Cookie
almond?
doodle?
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought for sure you'd buy this one.
I know, but I'm if they get different creamer. Can't put caramel creamer in the blueberry
True.
cinnamon crumble.
True.
Cookie doodle or the Swiss chocolate almond? Okay.
Emily's not picky.
I do really like the blueberry, but I also want something that like everyone's gonna do.
Why don't we?
So. Honey, you got the goods? Whoa! Watch your toes. It's all about the B-roll, baby.
Honey, you're ridiculous.
He's so cute.
I'm in the street. Shut the door.
I'm not in the street.
Shut the door.
Honey, look cute for a minute.
Wants to park next to us?
Look cute for a minute. Where are we packing to go, honey?
The mountains!
Oh, that was a really big close-up of your face. We're going to the mountains, and we're going to sit in hot springs, and I get to put a stamp in my passport book, which I will show you guys. And what else are we gonna do? We're gonna sit around a campfire and look at the stars. Anna, how excited are you to go to the mountains? One more time. Oh! Loki said, no thank you. Loki. Have you guys met Loki? He's so cute and he's such a good boy. Have you met Dad? He's so cute and he's such a good boy.
And I'm old.
Hi, Bella. She's scared of the camera. It's okay. Oh, good girl. Meathead.
Fur missile. Come on, Fatso.
He's not even moving.
Oh, he's hanging out. 1, 2.
We also were doing a little planning because we're going to make a stop on our trip for me to put a stamp in my National Parks passport book at Fluorescent Fossil Beds National Monument. And I am so excited to go there. I cannot wait to share that with you.
Oh, for real.
Anna, how is Domino's going for you today?
About the fucking same as it did last. You don't have your damn penny on anymore? You took it off? Oh, look. Another one.